Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. Today, I dive into the wild world of Bitcoin scams and challenge myself to uncover the top tricks they use to fool you so you can stay safe in 2025. The world of cryptocurrency is booming, but with it comes a darker side: Bitcoin scams. These scams are becoming more sophisticated by the day, making it crucial for you to stay informed if you want to protect your hard-earned money. As we dive into 2025, it's essential to be aware of the risks and know how to navigate them. In recent years, we've seen a significant rise in people falling victim to these scams. It's not just about losing money. It's about the emotional toll it takes on those who've been duped. The good news is that with awareness and education, you can significantly reduce your chances of getting scammed. So what can you expect from this video? We'll be exposing the most common Bitcoin scams, how they work, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrency. From phishing scams to fake investment opportunities, we'll cover it all. We'll also be diving into some real-life examples of recent scams so you can see firsthand how they operate. Phishing scams are one of the most common types of Bitcoin scams. These scams involve hackers trying to get their hands on your personal information, such as login credentials or wallet details. They do this by sending you fake emails or messages that appear to be from legitimate sources. Another popular scam is the fake investment opportunity. Scammers promise unusually high returns on your investment, but in reality, they're just looking to get their hands on your money. These scams can be incredibly convincing, often using fake testimonials and professional-looking websites. Then there are the impersonation scams. Scammers pretend to be well-known figures in the cryptocurrency world, offering exclusive investment opportunities or advice. These scams can be particularly convincing, as they often use social media to build trust. We've also seen a rise in Ponzi schemes. These scams promise high returns, but the only people making money are the scammers themselves. They use funds from new investors to pay off earlier investors, creating the illusion of a successful investment. Some scammers take a more aggressive approach, using threats and intimidation to get what they want. These scams often involve hackers gaining access to your device and demanding a ransom in Bitcoin. The danger with these scams is that they're constantly evolving. Scammers are becoming more sophisticated, making it harder to spot a scam. That's why it's essential to stay informed and be cautious when dealing with unsolicited investment opportunities. One of the most significant challenges with Bitcoin scams is that they're often difficult to track. Scammers use fake identities and offshore accounts, making it hard to recover your money if you're scammed. To make matters worse, the anonymous nature of Bitcoin transactions makes it easier for scammers to operate. This anonymity can make it challenging for law enforcement to track down scammers. Despite the risks, there are ways to protect yourself. By being aware of the most common scams and taking steps to secure your online presence, you can significantly reduce your chances of getting scammed. So, what can you do to stay safe? First, always do your research before investing in any opportunity. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Second, never give out your personal information to someone you don't trust. A recent example of a Bitcoin scam that has been making the rounds is the giveaway scam. Scammers claim to be from a well-known cryptocurrency exchange or wallet service, offering a free giveaway of Bitcoin. All you need to do is send them a small amount of Bitcoin to participate. The psychology behind why people fall for these scams is fascinating. Often, scammers use a combination of persuasion and manipulation to get their victims to part with their money. They might use high-pressure sales tactics or create a sense of urgency to get you to act quickly. In some cases, scammers use emotional manipulation to get their victims to trust them. They might use stories of how they've helped others make a fortune in cryptocurrency. Another surprising fact about Bitcoin scams is that they're often designed to prey on our emotions. Scammers use psychological triggers to get you to act impulsively, rather than making an informed decision. The key to avoiding these scams is to stay informed and be skeptical. If someone is promising unusually high returns or using high-pressure sales tactics, it's likely a scam. To stay safe in 2025, you need to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect yourself. This includes using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious when dealing with unsolicited investment opportunities. In conclusion, Bitcoin scams are a real and growing threat. By being informed and taking steps to protect yourself, you can significantly reduce your chances of getting scammed. If you've had any experiences with Bitcoin scams, share them with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories and learn from your experiences. Finally, be sure to check out our next video on cryptocurrency safety tips. We'll be sharing some expert advice on how to stay safe in the world of cryptocurrency.